This motorcycle side bag is made by very premium quality leatherette material. We have put a brass hook here. There is a velcro of very good quality. Inside we have canvas, and in the back of the bag we have put steel plate. Because of this steel plate, the bag remains very stiff, and with every bag you will at least get minimum of 2 clamps. These 2 clamps can be mounted on any motorcycle. Like you see, we have already put 1 clamp here and the bigger clamp here. So using these bolting arrangements, you can mount the bag on the motorcycle. Any motorcycle wherein you can put these clamps, this bag can be mounted. This motorcycle side bag is made out of premium quality leatherette material. Like the black color variant, we have this brown color. Here you see a very good quality brass hook, inside which you will see a velcro. The stitching that you see is Bombay quality nylon thread. Inside again you will see there is a steel plate which keeps the bag's shape intact. Along with every bag you will receive these 2 clamps, one small one, one bigger one. The small one will be mounted above the shock absorber on the front side of the bike. The bigger clamp will be mounted on the rear side. We have already mounted these clamps to show you how to mount this bag. Using these arrangements, these bolting arrangements, you can mount this bag on the motorcycle. In any motorcycle where you can mount these clamps, these bags can be mounted very easily. This type of motorcycle side bag is called the zipper flap side bag for motorcycles, because like the other side bag, we have a zip flap inside this. So you can secure your stuff inside this bag very nicely. Along with this bag, we have this steel plate inside again to keep the bag's shape stiff, and we have placed rivets on the outside. With this bag also you will get 2 clamps which you can mount on the motorcycle. The smaller clamp here, we have already mounted a clamp. The bigger clamp in the rear side, we have already put a clamp here. Again, using the same arrangements, these 2 bolts, you can mount this bag on your motorcycle very easily like this. Any motorcycle which can, these clamps can be mounted on them, this bag can be mounted easily on that motorcycle. This is the brown color variant of zipper flap side bag. Again, this is made out of premium quality leatherette material. Like the name suggests, there is a zipper flap inside, so you can secure your stuff easily. The back of the bag has a steel plate to keep the bag shape stiff. There is a velcro arrangement for the securing. Along with the bag, you will get these 2 clamps. One of the clamp will be mounted above the shock absorber, and the bigger clamp will be mounted on the rear side of the backrest. And using these bolting arrangements, this bag can be easily mounted on any motorcycle. Any motorcycle on which these clamps can be mounted, this bag can be easily mounted like this.